Hi, this is Tim, and if you saw our original video, we were having the problem with our 2015 Chrysler minivan of having that whistling noise coming from the driver's side panel here when we would be at highway speeds with a strong wind. After researching it, we found a solution that has worked. We implemented this solution this summer. It is now December 31st, so it's been almost 6 months since we've done it, and we have not had a problem with that whistling noise since. Now, what we did is we followed the instructions, and we got this silicone here, just clear, plain silicone they can get at any hardware store, Walmart or Home Depot, and we just applied it down in between this gap here. So it's in between. If the silicone was here, you'd be able to see like a little rubber strip going all the way down. But we just applied it, worked our way down, slowly but surely. And then we would just take our finger, or your index finger, whatever, and then just wipe it down, and then repeat the process. Just going down like that, not that fast of course, just nice and slow, until it's all filled up. And if you can get a close-up here, you can see that it's all filled with that clear silicone gel. So, pretty simple fix for a quite annoying noise. And again, it's been 6 months since we have done this, and a lot of highway driving too, and we have not had that issue with that whistling, howling noise coming from the driver's side panel. So it's not a Chrysler fix, but it does work and it does do the job. So I hope this helps you all with your problem too, and hopefully Chrysler will take notice and fix this issue so it doesn't happen again for everyone. Thank you.